In the relentless pursuit of a more fulfilling and productive life, the simple act of waking up early often emerges as a cornerstone habit. While the allure of extra sleep can be strong, embracing the early hours of the day can unlock a wealth of benefits that extend far beyond simply having more time. Establishing a consistent early rising routine coupled with mindful strategies can be a transformative journey towards enhanced productivity, improved well-being, and a greater sense of control over one's life. The initial hurdle, of course, lies in overcoming the body's natural inclination to sleep. This requires a gradual and consistent approach. Abruptly shifting your wake-up time by several hours is often met with resistance, leading to grogginess and a higher likelihood of abandoning the effort. Instead, a more sustainable strategy involves gradually adjusting your wake-up time by 15 to 30 minutes every few days. This allows your body's internal clock or circadian rhythm to adapt more comfortably. Simultaneously, establishing a consistent bedtime is equally crucial. Aiming for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep is essential for feeling rested and energized upon waking, regardless of the hour. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine, such as taking a warm bath, reading a book, or practicing meditation, can signal to your body that it's time to wind down, promoting deeper and more restorative sleep. The immediate benefits of waking up early often manifest in a quieter and less distracted environment. Before the demands of the day fully materialize, emails flood in, family members need attention, and the general hustle and bustle commences. The early morning offers a precious window of tranquility. This serene atmosphere is ideal for engaging in focused work, pursuing personal passions, or simply enjoying a moment of peaceful reflection. For many, this uninterrupted time becomes their most productive period, allowing for deep work and creative thinking without the constant interruptions that can plague later hours. Whether it's tackling challenging tasks, writing, exercising, or pursuing a hobby, the early morning provides an opportunity to proactively shape your day, rather than reactively responding to its demands. Furthermore, waking up early often fosters a greater sense of control and intention. By seizing the initial hours of the day, you set a proactive tone for the hours that follow. This can lead to a more organized and purposeful approach to your tasks and responsibilities. Having dedicated time for planning and prioritizing can significantly enhance overall productivity. Instead of feeling rushed and overwhelmed, you can strategically allocate your time and energy to the activities that truly matter. This sense of being ahead of the curve can also contribute to reduced stress levels and a greater feeling of accomplishment throughout the day. Beyond productivity gains, early rising can positively impact your physical and mental well-being. Engaging in exercise during the early morning, whether it's a brisk walk, a workout at home, or a visit to the gym, can be a fantastic way to energize your body and mind for the day ahead. Physical activity releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting effects and can improve focus and concentration. Additionally, the quiet solitude of the early morning provides an excellent opportunity for mindfulness practices, such as meditation or journaling. These activities can help to reduce stress, improve self-awareness, and cultivate a more positive outlook. Taking even a few minutes each morning for these practices can have a significant impact on your overall mental and emotional resilience. However, simply waking up early is not a guarantee of increased productivity. The key lies in how you utilize those extra hours. Establishing a consistent morning routine is essential for maximizing the benefits of early rising. This routine could include activities such as drinking a glass of water, engaging in light exercise, reviewing your goals for the day, working on your most important task, or spending time on personal development. The specific elements of your morning routine will vary based on your individual needs and preferences. But the crucial aspect is to be intentional about how you spend this valuable time. Avoid immediately reaching for your phone or getting sucked into emails, as this can quickly erode the focus and tranquility that the early morning offers. In conclusion, the journey to becoming an early riser and experiencing enhanced productivity is a multifaceted one that requires commitment, consistency, and a mindful approach. By gradually adjusting your sleep schedule, prioritizing quality sleep, and establishing a purposeful morning routine, you can unlock the transformative power of the early hours. This dedicated time can provide a sanctuary for focused work, personal growth, and activities that contribute to both your professional success and overall well-being.